Well, I hope you can hear me well. Yeah, I know it's tacky to have your microphone right here. We're low tech here. We're low tech. I mean, trying to be high tech, but yeah, not being successful at it. Hello, everybody. It's Cindy. Welcome to Cindy Lou Loves Glam 2. If you're new here, I do a lot of unboxings on my channel, but I'm also, trying to branch out into other things. And, returning subscribers, welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for coming here. And if you're here, you're probably here because you saw the title. I got my Boxy Premium for the month of June 2020 in the mail today. It's very, very late. We'll go ahead and jump on into it. But before I do, if you are not subscribed, I would love you to take a moment and consider subscribing. I'm just hearing it from other people that you have to tap on the notification bell. I totally understand if you don't want to do that. I get alarm fatigue too, but apparently you are more likely to miss, especially smaller YouTuber videos if you don't have that bell icon on. But like I said, I get way too many emails and way too many notifications as it is. I totally understand if you just don't want that pushed to you. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. You can also give me a thumbs down too. I mean, it's up to you. If you don't like the Boxy Premium, that just lets me know. I don't want to tell you what to do with your thumbs. Let's just jump into it. I've, of course, already seen a lot of these items because I open these now so that I can, for sanitation purposes and everything. So, Boxy Lux, we already knew what the theme was. The theme for this is no different. It is the Oasis, which I believe is kind of a spa self-care theme. And I have variation number 56. I don't know if you can see that or not. 56. Variation number 56. We're going a little bit crazy with the variations, aren't we? I mean, alright, then again, they did have like 5 different products to choose from in the choice. Of course, many of them were repeats, but okay. Alright, well, I think I'm going to go ahead and start off with, I think if you are somebody who watches spoilers like I am, because, I'm also that kind of bee that can't help but look at the last page of the book and see what's coming. If you're one of those people, then you've probably already seen the spoilers for this. But we received the one of the products that we were guaranteed to receive is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit. I'm excited about this. I'm excited about trying this, even though it's Too Faced. I am excited. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. It's got that nice sleek packaging, which of course, Too Faced is always known for. There's like a card in here. I guess it just has information on how to use the product. So it's nice sleek packaging. It's got a cute little heart clasp open. And then, oh yeah. So we got a cute little mirror here. It says Too Faced on the mirror. Here's what that looks like. Let me sniff it. Okay. It smells like cocoa, but it does not smell like cocoa in the same way that, like, say, the Tarte palettes or even, like, Pure, because I feel like Pure does a lot of cocoa. It smells like... It smells like cocoa, but it almost smells like cocoa liqueur. You know what I mean? Like, it smells like there's a little bit of like a extra alcohol-y. Like, it's got that chocolate vanilla or cocoa vanilla scent to it, but it's almost like there's also like a little like liquor. When I say liqueur, I'm thinking of like if you were to have like isn't there like a mochaccino or mocha? You know what I'm talking about? Like mocha. It's not mochaccino. There's like a mocha drink out there that you can get with like alcohol in it. It smells like a sweetened alcohol smell to it. So it's supposed to be for several different skin tones. Okay, I kind of did things out of order here, but here the middle part is the light. This is the medium and this is the deeper tone. But you know, this could be nice to go travel with because like you could, depending on what your skin tone is. I mean, I don't know if these colors actually work for deeper skin toned ladies. My deeper skin tone ladies are just gonna have to let me know if the orange is a good highlighting shade for you. Hopefully it is. I don't know if Too Faced has been known for being inclusive. You know, this could be nice to take on, you know, traveling. Not that any of us are traveling anytime soon. You know, just because you could also use some of these other contour powders as shadows. I am very excited to get this. We'll have to see how well it works. I hear a lot of the times that Too Faced is kind of hit and miss on the products. Like they put all their time and energy into like making sure that the packaging is sleek and cute and not so much into the actual product development. So we'll have to see how that works. So the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette retails for $44. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and reach into the other one that we were guaranteed to get. It is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I am so excited to try this. All the other stuff that I've tried from Glow Recipe so far has been great, and I love nothing more than to put retinol on my face to go to bed with. I feel like it just, like, if you've got any kind of breakouts, like pimples or anything like that, it helps with that. It helps with wrinkles and softening and all of that. So I'm super excited to get this, and I'm definitely excited to try it. The Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask retails for $49. I'm going to go ahead and pull the product out that I ended up choosing. And I went with the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Out of all of the choices that we had, it just made the most sense to me. I know that I can't remember if I got this in Boxy Luxe or if I got it in a Boxy Premium before. I think it might have been another Boxy Premium. But I got it in a deep color that just doesn't work for me or for my skin tone. And it's, you know, it's a very deep plum color that I do not wear that often. And I feel like I have 10 different versions of it because that's what ends up in most subscription boxes. So when I saw this as a choice, I kind of saw the different colors it was flashing up on the screen, and I was happy with any of those colors. So I was like, I'd really like to try this again and see if I can get it in a color that is going to be a little bit more likely to wear. I think they had like 3 different types of pink up there. There might have even been more of a nudie one, but anyway, it's the NARS Power Lip Pigment, and I got mine in the shade Call Me. Call me. I'm alive. Call me. Call me. Anytime. Call me. Daddy-o, Beatnik. Okay, this is what happens at midnight. I'm sorry, folks. Ooh, it's a pretty little pink. Ooh, I like that. I like that color. Ooh, I like that. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it because I'm definitely going to wear this. I mean, I've got another lip color on my lips right now currently, but, that's really pretty. Oh, don't mind me. I was just swatching other things lately earlier. That's really pretty. I'm excited to get that. Yeah, I ended up choosing this. I mean, it was between this or the, KVD Vegan Beauty lipsticks, and it looked like all the ones on there, like there were some more nudie tones in there, but I knew for certain I was probably going to get one of the deeper plums or something like that. And I don't know, is it KVD? It says KVD Beauty on it, but we all know it still looks like Kat Von D, and it's probably older Kat Von D stuff that they're trying to get rid of. You know, those bacon strips, like the dog is like, it's bacon, 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 bacon. It's bacon. I feel like the folks are I guess it's Kendo owns the brand or whatever. And with the KVD vegan beauty, it's like vegan, vegan, vegan. It's vegan. I wonder if that's also in her contract too. Like she would only sell it off if they made sure that everybody knew it was frickin' vegan. I have no idea. I don't know. I may just leave all this craziness in. I might just leave it in. I know. This is what you get. This is what you get at midnight. So the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment retails for $26. All right, moving on. I guess I already grabbed this, so we'll go with this. I think this must be something that everybody's getting too, because I don't think I've seen a box without it, but I could be wrong. So this is the $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush. It did not come in a box or anything. It just came like kind of loose. It's kind of nice. So it says that there's a contour side on this, and then there's a tapered brush for precise blending, and to enhance smaller features on the face. And then there's also like this densely angled brush on this side so that you can, really get your contour on. So, and then you can get under your eyes and whatever. So, and it's pretty soft. I mean, we got some $1 Billion brows brushes in the Boxy Luxe, so they must have given out a whole slew of brushes. The $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush retails for $30. Would you pay $30 for this? I don't think I'd pay $30 for that. Next is the... we got Natasha Denona. I'm going to chat about that in just a sec. But, okay, so I got a Natasha Denona eyeliner pencil. Says it's highly pigmented, applies smoothly, and has a super creamy texture. We'll be the judge of that. So, let's see. I wonder if it's typical. Oh, it's in cobalt blue, so that's kind of nice. Okay. Oh my, that is blue. That's definitely up my alley, though. I really do. Yeah. All right, we'll go ahead and... Whew, that is blue. It's really pretty, though. Okay, it's okay. I mean, it's a wooden pencil. It's not like it's even like one of those, what do they call them? You screw them up. My brain is gone. It's midnight, folks. I don't remember what it's called. I like the color. It's pretty. I don't think I have anything. I used to have eyeliners in this shade, but I think I ended up tossing them because I wasn't using them. So I guess it's interesting to try something from Natasha Denona. I'm going to be honest, nobody goes to Natasha Denona for her eyeliners, okay? Everybody wants the eyeshadows or the blushes or face palettes or whatever. Nobody's going to Natasha Denona for their eye pencils, so that's a bit of a cop-out to me. I kind of hate it when subscription boxes do that, where they're like, oh, we're going to have this really big name brand, and then they give you, like, the cheapest thing from that brand that nobody's buying, nobody's putting out the money for on it. And I kind of feel like the Milk makeup product that we got, and even the Tarte last month, I want to say that. Like, this is Boxy Premium, where we're supposed to be getting even more premium looks, like the choice of the choice, the products that we can't feature in the base box because they're just so premium and choice. Like, that's a bit of a cop-out, because if you tell me you're going to start flashing up names like Natasha Denona and Milk and Tarte and all these, but then you give me things like lip balm and lip oil and eyeliners and like the cheapest thing in their lineup. Like, that's not what people are signing up for. So, I don't know. Just let me know in the comments down below how you feel about that. And if you, like, still feel like this box is worth it, when they do stuff like that. I mean, do you care, or do you just, you like the name brand recognition. The Natasha Denona eyeliner pencil retails for $18. I am excited to get the color though. I don't have very many things in that color, and it'll be nice to kind of round out some eye looks with it, or to even just add a little pop of color to some very natural, neutral eye looks too. Okay. So the next is the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection Spray. Oh, okay. It says weightless heat and UV protection. I wonder if there's any kind of silicones in here though, because I'm not seeing it in here. So that's good. It doesn't say without silicones, but a lot of times to give your hair that protection or smoothing effect, they will put silicones in the spray. So, all right, well, I don't use heat on my hair a whole lot, but, you know, I'm interested in trying it. So the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection Spray retails for $28. And that is all the products that I have in my box. The retail value of my Boxy Premium box for the month of June 2020 adds up to $195. Again, you have to take that with a grain of salt. There are some inflated prices in there. But all in all, I'm very happy with the box. We pay $35 for it. I think, quite frankly, for me, I already knew it was going to be worth it for me just from the Too Faced contour palette and the Glow Recipe mask. And then on top of that, I also knew that I was getting the NARS lipstick. So for me, it was well worth the $35. I can't say that about previous premium boxes, but I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying the Boxy Luxe that I have, and I don't know. I guess I'm happy with this month. I don't know what it is about Boxy Charm. I feel like they pull out all the stops in June and in December. I feel like June and December boxes usually end up being the best boxes of the year. This is just something I've noticed after being on it for 2 years at this point. Are we Boxy Premium twins? Do you not have Boxy Premium? Do you just, like to watch other people unbox it? Just curious. Keep fighting the good fight. Stay safe. Take all the precautions that you need to. Black Lives Matter. They still matter. And they're always gonna matter. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share it. Subscribe. All that good stuff. And with that, have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for joining me.